So that is the apple tree from Home Depot. That's my leaves to go all the way at the base. And this is the dirt I use. $1,000 General. Let's see. Put the leaves on the bottom. I am getting ready to put dirt in it, fill it up to the second line. Looks like that. Now I'm just going to lift this entire thing up, put it in the middle, and then surround it with dirt. So looks like that. Now I'm going to surround it with the rest of the dirt. So here's the final product. I am using bottled water because my rainwater is getting low. So either bottled water, rainwater. Tried PG County water one time, even though it was filtered. Some of my seedlings perished, so some of them I had to start again. So we're learning together.